We are gonna be playing Scary Baboon. Wait. What the hell? What do you mean download? Oh, never mind. What? Finally, holy shit. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened. What the? Yo guys, where the baboons at?
Where's more baboons? Where's the rest of the crew? Where's the rest of the crew? My dude. Where's the rest of the crew?
Oh, Bozo. Shit.
Bozo!
Shit.
Oh yeah! Just freaking good. This game.
Lucky.
Oh, you monster. You gotta die.
No, don't close it.
Okay, we just... Don't close it, like I said. Hi, guys! I'm kidding. Oh, yo, Red! Yo, Red, look behind you. Yeah, Red. My name is Red. My name is Red. I am taking you to place away. You get to eat at least a quarter of it. Wait, you guys are Red? I'm Red. My name's Red. I'll show guys. I was planning on getting off right when she asked me to do something, but I guess she doesn't do it. Oh, imagine dying. Imagine dying. Imagine dying.
Imagine being the military.
Hey!
Yo, you know what else is massive?
I have 2 trackers, guys.
My hair is stuck in the wall. I hate this game.
Yo, thank you.
I have 2 trackers.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. I really love it.
Yeah, I jumped straight in him.
Yeah, that was smart.
Or I'm going to break.
Shit.
Big ball.
You idiot. Meat man. You are so dumb, meat man.
Hey, Red. Yeah. Can I just have this? I'm a distractor. I need to know. Please.
Okay.
I'm a good distractor.
Here we go.
Why I can't
Thank you.
my name? Why I can't change my name? What did you do with it? Oh, what did you do?
Okay.
So bad.
Twist it up. Twist it up.
For YouTube videos.
Twist it up. I'm lagging.
Bro, you're not.
I was lagging.
Go in this Sigma boy. Wow!
Don't get me dirty.
Shoot! Oh, damn it.
Treat me like one. Don't get
Ah,
me
you can't touch me.
dirty.
You can't touch me.
Elbows
Ah,
up.
you all look at that.
Fuck. I'm just getting juked. And I already fucked. So.
Let's go, Bethany!
Shit.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ah!
Shit, I'm fucked. Fuck you. Yo, fuck you. Yo, take this.
Did I do
Yo,
this?
take this, bro.
Are you? I found you.
This
Mami,
retard.
¿estás ahí? ¿Puedes traerme un scrunchie para mi pelo? I found you.
Ha, El Bozo, you can't get me. You can't get me. You can't get me. El Bozo.
Hey, hey.
El, take the L. My bad.
Dry. Amy, look at me. Stop closing it.
Bozo. Ow.
How am I supposed to be doing this? Ray's coming.
Meet me on. No. Wait, that was a good one.
Yeah. Finally, quiet. Oh.
Oh God! Oh God, no! I cannot see the tracker.
Shit. I did not mean to click that. Did I make it to the back rooms? Where am I? No, I was here last time. Oh no. Oh no. What's that? What was that? What? Run, please, please. No. No, 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 no. Wanna play monkey. But even though I'm still banned. Let's go. What the hell? Yep. Weak band shit. Oh, thank you, girl tag. Thank you, Ryan. I wasn't winning. It was just those little teams. Little fuckers. And I got pissed at. Shit. Hey, where else do they got me? How? I'll go beach, Matt. was scary. What was that? Holy. Okay, I'm gonna put some more Animal Company. Ah, that's better. Wait a minute. What?
Bro.
Don't give me that. Of course it's...
He is scared. Let's see what is he's scared. He's scared. He's
Wait,
scared. He's scared.
Cheers!
He's scared. This dude's scared. They're stinky boys. Stinky cheese.
Motherfucker!
Hey, that's not nice.
I like to get up a little. Oh, yes,
Yo. What the hell was that?
How do you guys fart? It's the stinky cheese. Oh.
Yo, anyone want this?
It's too bright.
Yo, Green, you want this, buddy?
Purple, where did it go?
You want this, Green?
Look at the
Green.
go.
Green. You want it? Go.
What does this thing do?
Pink.
What about the cheese
Yeah.
touch? I did not want the cheese
Yeah.
touch.
Come here, come
You turn off
Give me the
that's
cheese
right.
touch.
I'm not stupid. Wait, what does this thing do?
here.
Everybody
What does this thing do?
Why you going after me?
Oh.
You can click
Yes.
Oh,
Cheese touch.
no, give me that.
Alright, what
What?
are you doing?
Yo,
Guys, giveaway. Giveaway, yeah? Giveaway. Boom, 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 boom.
back up, boy.
That's not a giveaway. That's not a giveaway.
Those are just pencils.
Giveaway.
Yo, why are they moaning? Who the hell was moaning? Poop poop beep beep. Poop poop beep beep. Oh, should I go up the spider? What the fuck? What was that for, you little pussy ass bitch?
You're not gonna find me.
Yo, you gotta pick. Wait, yo, yellow, yo, can I hold that? There's a Minecraft pickaxe. Can I please hold
I
that?
can get you a Minecraft pickaxe. I can get you a
Minecraft pickaxe?
Oh my god, yeah.
What the? I got a Minecraft pickaxe.
God.
I gotta go mining with this. Who's coming with me?
Whoa, here's a fish.
Yo,
Can we dupe it? Can we dupe it? Can we dupe one? You don't need a dupe one. And you guys want to see something? You guys want to see something? I can't buy. I want one. Dad, I can't buy it. I can't buy it.
yo, I gotta go mining. I gotta go mining now. Is that cheese?
Oh, so you want to hide? Yeah, look at this. Look at it. Look at my TNT. My TNT looks so good, right? Look at my TNT. Wait, let me see your TNT. My TNT. Where are you?
Your TNT. Let me see your TNT.
Can you actually buy me one?
Can I see your TNT?
No. He just wants.
Can I see your TNT?
Can you buy me my TNT? Can you buy me one? TNT. It's so cool. Can somebody buy me that TNT? Can you give me a TNT? Okay. Lipno. Who wants now? Oh my god.
Mine's nothing like
Wait,
that.
I'm just gonna go and dope on my VPN. I wake up fat in the morning. Hey, go, Blue. The life never boring. Yo, who wants to go mining with me? Let's go. Yo, let's go. Yo, here. You should be hard to get. Come here, Pink. I do.
Who said mining?
Pink. I'm here. How come
the stuff. Who stole the stuff?
What the fuck was
Guys,
that?
that's rare. I can buy it.
Over there.
Green.
You know what? I'm gonna
Green,
kill them.
that's-
I'm gonna kill them.
Okay,
No.
Yo, give me
No,
back
no,
my
no,
shit.
Come.
Did you take my shit?
He stole a grappler.
You mean this? No, that's mine. That's mine. I can get one. I can buy it.
Ready to
Blue behind you.
It was you.
Hey,
Bring back my shit.
Can you buy me a
Give me it
revolver?
back.
This cool glitch.
Give it to me.
That was mine. Little bro, look at him. Little bro, look at him. Shoot. Green, buy it. And Green, come on, shoot me. Dude, we're in safe zone. Green, come on, take it. Take it. Green. Guys, you guys are so fast here. Keep away. Green. The explosions!
I got a gun.
The explosions, I said. I said
Okay,
about the
Blue, come,
explosion.
let's go.
Okay.
Let's go
I
mining.
bet.
Hey, have a revolver.
Who got lights? Did you bring?
We don't need that light.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Behind you.
Wait up.
This guy's want to. Don't worry, this guy's want to kill you.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
he's dumb. He killed himself. This guy killed himself.
Are you gonna kill us? Okay, good. And then,
When you kill.
and then right after I said that,
Now we pop out at 1 in the morning and we don't never falling. Yeah, and then man, boy, look at your name.
Wait for me. I got nothing to kill y'all with. I got nothing. Absolutely
hey,
nothing.
let me go get me some lights. You guys stay here.
Guys,
I have
this
nothing.
way.
Guys,
No, guys,
I'm a mine
this way.
because I'm a miner.
This
I'm
way,
gonna get some-
no.
I'm a mine because I'm a miner. Hold up, we got a mine.
I'm gonna get some lights, but
Because we are
But
miners.
I'm gonna. But oh, that's lights right here. Let's see backpack. Look, what's in it? That's nothing. Exactly. Exactly what I just said was in it. Nothing. Guys, I bought a flashlight. Guys. Hello?
Man, you look like Master Wound. Yeah, I'm here.
Shit, huh? Guys, you already there?
We're still here.
Yo,
Yeah.
what you
Wait, how do I go?
Yo, come on.
How do I go mining?
Oh, it's exactly.
How do I go
That's what you're
mining?
holding. That's a pick. That's a pick.
Yeah, but I.
Okay, come here.
Yeah, but this is my first time playing this game.
Oh.
What do I do?
Oh shit. Here. We gotta find some ores for mine. The
Okay.
ones on the floor are pickables, so you can pick them up. Oh shit. I can't find any. Don't go that way!
Don't trust.
Don't go that way!
Guys, don't trust this guy with the sun thing. He killed me.
Guys.
He killed me.
Guys, that's a spider.
Hey, guys.
Don't go that way. That's a spider.
Guys, this way. Guys, this way.
There's nothing early here. Bro, this was early here?
Yeah.
My dumbass didn't even know it.
Stupid nigga.
Yeah, I am a stupid.
I stayed another way.
Yeah, shut up. Yeah, cry about it.
Cry about it.
Shut up.
Yo, are those diamonds?
Bro, something.
I'm gonna mine some diamonds.
Yeah, you're saying the one I'm rude.
Cry about it.
I can't be talking. Yeah, what? Yeah, I can't hear you, girl.
Yo.
You're being racist? What? Why
Wait,
you?
who's being racist?
Why are you crying about it, bro? It's just a game.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
Everybody says that, bro. You cannot be.
What the fuck is that? Do I mine that? What the hell? Yo! Get this bit!
No, dang, the fish is going that.
I killed his donut. Yo, I got a flare gun!
Green, no, green. Ain't nobody talking to you. Ain't nobody talking to you. Ain't nobody talking to you, bro. And then don't talk to us then. It's just our thing. It's our thing. Don't talk. He's talking to me. He's talking to me. He's not talking to you.
What's happening? Yo, hello? What's over here? Yo,
Yo, how do I get out?
I'll show you. Hold on, let me mind these.
Come out, kill us that 1%.
I'll show you. Your Oculus is at what? 1%?
Yeah.
Shit.
How do
Okay. I'll show you. Come here.
Someone who's talking to me, dumbass. Oh my god, bro. You cannot listen, bro. This server's so dumb.
Bro, you're so dumb. Holy shit, bro. Get him out of here. Oh, that's not... Okay, I'm out. Did I go that way? No, I didn't. I'm going this way. That was a big, massive cave. Is that behind? Alright, that was a fun mining trip. I'm coming back now. Is that a Hulk fish?
If I see that kid, I'm gonna kill that kid.
What kid?
There's this kid that called me the N-word.
Wait, what?
He left.
I
He
can
left.
make it really bright.
Bye.
I'm gonna hop to a different server.
Yo, can I,
If you want to friend me, you can
can I
friend me.
come?
No, I'm
Can I
good.
come?
Bye.
Yo, I'm gonna...
Alright, peace.
Can I add you? Shit. Yo, thanks. Can I add all you guys? What the? I can't move. I can't. Never mind. Never mind. Yo, is that a gun? Yo, hey Blue, you want a gun?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, it has ammo. Hey, you want 5?
How much?
1, but you want 5 more?
Yeah. Thank you. I have better weapons. I have better.
Whoa!
Can I get one?
Can I get one?
Let me get one.
I don't have those.
Oh, I can get both of them? Oh, here. You can get one.
I'm gonna get some of my guns.
God. Bro, how does backpack fit all this in him, bro? It's like backpack from Dora, bro. Okay, yeah, I'm taking...
Give me all of them. Please, I need them. I don't have any other weapons but these 2. Like these. 1. Wait. Oh, I already have them.
Who just farted?
I do not know. It wasn't me.
You want to come with me? Okay. Guys, come with me. Guys, come with me.
I bet.
Come with me. Come with me.
Bet. Well, of course, they're all empty.
You coming?
Shit, I dropped my control.
I thought you were coming with me.
I'm coming with you.
Bro's loading up backpack, bro.
Shit, my bad.
It's like backpack, backpack.
Sorry, I have a whole bunch of weapons.
Backpack.
My bad. I'm taking my backpack. That's full
Alright,
with
let's go.
weapons. Oh yeah, this backpack on my back is also filled with weapons. Where are we going? Oh,
Down
I know
here.
where we're going. We're going to the hole of abyss.
But like whenever it's red light, do not move.
Wait. Why?
When it's red light, do not move.
Hold on, let me put some light down here.
It's fine. Come on.
Shit, we're going down there?
Yeah.
Wait, what's down there? Yo, what's down there?
I'm here.
Wait, you are? Blue? Ah! Yo, are you going down there? Whee! Fuck it. What is down here? Can I move now?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is that? I want up. I want up. Please let me up. I want out of here. Let me out. My favorite person. Chicken?
Chicken nugget.
What the fuck? Where's the bitch at?
Chicken nugget.
Go behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you. Shoot this bitch. Don't move. Punch him. Dead. You got plunger. Yeah, I'm out. How do I get out? Yo, Blue? 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 Blue, where are you? Wait. Blue. Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? It has my weapons in it. That's why I wanted you to hold it. Fuck. It was worth it.
Let's go to red light, green light.
Fuck no.
Oh, hi.
Hell no, I'm not.
They're
doing
all
it.
empty.
I'm not doing
Hi.
it. Hell no. Hell to no.
Wait, come on. Can you give me one?
Shit. Oh yeah, here you go, buddy.
Can I get one?
You want 5 more? You want 5 more? You want 5 more?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, do you have a big backpack? Do you have a big backpack?
Sadly, no.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Oh, this.
Guess what? Look it. I'm tired of this. Oh. Hey, no. Wait, can I get that RPG?
Hell no.
Can you give me one?
My God.
Backpack!
No way. No way you're doing this. Wait. Give me.
Bro, how are you doing this, dog? Bro's rich.
Blue. Can I please have a gun? Please a gun. Just one gun. No.
Wait, me too?
5 million guns, please. How much stuff can you look in
We
here?
can play golf.
Yo, Blue, you want a gun?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Am I your friend?
Yeah.
Let's go back to the sewers.
Hell no.
Alright, come on.
I'm good.
Wait, can I get an RPG after?
I mean, we're gonna die anyway, but no. I'm not broke, trust me. Look what I have. Okay, I'm getting kind of broke. Kind of. What the fuck? What is that? Give me those, dude. Give me those. Give me those. Nice. Won't let me buy any more guns for some reason. I'm not broke. I have like 79,000 bucks. Wait a minute. Are you? Okay.
What?
Are you Goku?
Yeah, I'm Goku.
Goku. That's funny. Imagine seeing Goku in one. $179. 180. Damn.
What do you have in your backpack?
A whole bunch of guns. A
What?
whole bunch of guns. I have 2 backpacks actually.
Wait, can you sell it, please? I don't have money.
Shit. You want me to buy you some guns?
What?
Want me to buy you some guns? Some guns?
I don't know. Yes.
Bro, that's how it sucks. Holy shit. I'm not broke.
I kind of died. Whoa.
How many do you want? How many do you want?
A million. 2. I just want 2.
Okay, you want 2. How many do you want?
20.
But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shit, I can't move. Hold on. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Wait, how much did I give you? Like 7?
Yeah, like so.
Well, for now, it won't let me buy any, but I have 72,000 bucks. But like in a few minutes, I'll buy you some.
Okay.
Like 1 or 2. 1 or 2 weapons, yeah. Shit. You will. Wait, am I still recording?
Yo.
Goku? You good, bro? Stop with your silly nonsense, Purple! Stop it! Stop it! That's empty. Shit, go, you little nit. You little good.
Hey.
Go.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
What's that? I can't move. I'm stuck. Guys, I can't move.
Here, I got you. I got you.
Wait, never mind, I can move. Alright, come get your weapon.
Do you have any like real guns? Do you have any real guns? Like any real guns? Like I have, but I don't have money.
I gave you 16, Goku. Hey, those are for Goku.
Hey. Okay.
I'll buy you some right now. Okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Here you go, Goku.
Can I get one more?
No, you have one right there.
Thank you.
Here, Goku. Goku. Fuck.
He's selling them. Should I shoot him without him knowing?
Totally worth it, dude. I can't see. Yo, he's selling you. Wait, I wanna go.
Bro just died.
Wait, did he actually? Yo, he actually died. He actually died. I just got 220 bucks because of you. Yo, I'm sorry. Shit, I'm broke now. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna give you a flashbang.
No, please don't flashbang me.
Flashbang here. Stinky cheese? Goku. Shit. I have 69,000 bucks.
69,000. Can you give money?
I don't fucking know.
Wait, can you buy me some more? Please?
Ah! I gave him a flashbang! I gave him a flashbang! Who wants my money? Money! Who wants these bags? You wish! I'm just kidding. Hey! Purple! Purple? 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 Purple?
What? What do you
Come on,
want?
bro. Let's get some money.
Okay.
Not you, go. You little bitch. Come here, Goku. I'm at fucking. I'm at pup. I can't move. Come here. No. Do not sell me. Here you go.
Okay, I won't.
Sell him. Here, take that bag. Take these 2 bags. You need them more than I do.
Yes, I'm frying him.
You wish, but how did he get out?
Yeah, exactly.
I go up. I go up.
Hey, purple. Here.
I'm not purple, I'm blue.
Oh, you're both actually. But here you go.
Okay, give me.
There's one. But don't click the button yet. I give you 2. Bro, you killed us all. You little pussy ass bitch. I'm gonna kill Goku.
Who did that?
It's Goku.
Who did
Goku,
that?
no! No! Goku, no! No, give him back! Goku, no! No! Give him back!
Give me. Dang it. Try to shoot Goku. Brody.
Shit, I grabbed his wrong one. Yo, give me that bag back. It was mine. Where's that bag at? Shit. Oh, it's right here.
He has it.
Fuck. Where is he? Where's Goku? Goku, give it back! You give me back my gun. You're holding my gun.
Water gun.
Where's my gun at? There it is. I killed Goku. You bitch! You bitch! Fuck this. Give it back now! Give it! Give it back!
Let's sell it. Let's sell it. Why did you don't sell it?
Well, fuck you. I'm joining a different server. Oh, cunt. Even purple left.
Wait, where is he going?
To a different
Where is he
fucking
going?
server?
Why?
Cause you keep killing me and taking my shit for no reason.
Because you don't sell it.
What does it have to do with selling, bro? I'm buying them. They're not yours. It's my money. And I'm richer than you because you're a broke bitch. You little fucker. Don't! Give it back! I'm recording you, bro. Hope you little fuckers liked this video. Goodbye.
You did not hurt me, bro.
You ain't